Welcome back. Today on the gadget shelf, we finally have it. No, fresh off of the kickoff for the Simula at Wakas World Tour for SB19. We have in our hands the Minty La Dorces uh, folding fan. I would like it's a special limited edition of the Cozy personal fan from Acer. So let's see what we have in the box that it came with. Okay, so right now we have the strap. This is a hand strap for when you have the fan on here. I think it fits my hand too. And then we have a couple of cards here. Uh, you're a big fan of SB19. You'd love to see merch like this. Okay, let's make this focus right about there. All right, so we have cards. We have Josh, Ralph, everyone with the cozy, Mintila Dorses. We have Ken, Justin, and Pablo over here. We got a notebook, with a few stickers inside. See? Something to populate the pages of this or some other notebook with. We got 2 pages of those. And then blanks for this very handy notebook I use for when traveling. And then we have the box for the Cozy HF1 and fan one, I believe is the term. So this is 3600 mAh and comes in at 234 grams. Yes. Not here. Wait a minute. Yeah, okay. So we have a digital display to indicate how much more battery is left. You know, there's 100 speed settings on here and 180 degrees of angle setting. This retails for a peso shy of 2,000, so it's 1999. So these are the content. You have some documentation, the fan itself. It's a part of a series. It's Type C, which is good to see. No, it charges. It's charged fast. There is no charger, but there is a cable included. It. Mm, oh, this is a crossbody. If you wanted to do that, You do a crossbody, A to C cable. And we have our fan itself here. Tidy this. Take a look nicer. The all the packaging are prismatic, which is really nice. Keep it to the side. Okay. So we have, what does that mean? So right now, they're 63%, starts at 20. This function is a cooling function? Cold compress. Oh, that's interesting. What could that mean? Something to understand. Okay, you hold it to increase the setting 100%. How do you go down though? Okay, so it's up and down here, and then you can apply some cooling or not, depending if you. Oh, did you not see that? I'll do it one more time. I hope the sound doesn't get to the. Okay, so this one. mm, Just the focus so we can see better. All right. So this button brings the speed up. This button brings the speed down. And then if you press it once, a green light comes on, which activates a cold compress. So it does something. Maybe it makes it just a tad bit faster. It does feel like it's cooler, the wind that's coming out. So need to look into that. And then, of course, this is you stand it up and you can direct it to yourself, just feeling the stand. And turn it off. Or do you turn it off? Double press. Oh, it's a triple press. One to turn it on, and then each press cycles through 5 levels. Okay. So you go, it's there's 6 basic levels. That's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and then off. Let's try it. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and then off. But if you wanted to be in the middle of that, you can control it like this. Pretty interesting. Right, there we go. This will be replacing the fan that I carry for most of the time because that one, the battery is not that reliable. Hmm. So yeah, this is the special edition limited release of the Acerpure Cozy HF1. And if you guys liked it and support our Kings of P-pop over here, they're really making a mark in the industry. Yeah. All right. Thank you guys. See you later. Next time. Bye bye.